Welcome back to BJRS Official. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to earn on Magnus by doing just copy and paste. Yes, this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video, how to earn by just performing a simple task called copy and paste. So if today's happen to be the first time you come across this channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video to others. So let's dive in. In order for you to earn on Magnus Copy and Paste feature, this is what you need to do. If today's happen to be the first time you come across this channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video to others people. So all you have to do is to head over and click on the three dash icon locating at the top of your left hand side, which is right there. So let's click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to this particular menu. Like the menu will open like this. So the next thing for you to do is to click on job log. Just click on the job log, and once you click on job log, it's going to take you to this particular place. So now you can scroll down. So once you scroll down like this, you are going to see this place that says browse articles. You see? So now head over and click on the browse articles. After clicking on the browse articles, now scroll down. You are going to see this particular place that says get random articles. Hope you can see, or you can come down here to copy articles. You can come to this particular place right here. Let's click on the copy article, and once you click on the copy article, it's going to take you to this particular interface. Now this is where to carry out this particular task. You can see it right here: get articles, copy content, share and paste, and earn revenue. So these are the four processes that are on this particular steps, or these are the four things that are include, understand, in order for you to earn successfully. So these are the things that we are going to be doing. Now scroll down. So when you scroll down, we are going to see this particular place right here. So you will see this particular link, and you also see these places right here. Now this is what we are going to do. You can copy, like you can copy this text from here to here. Let's say we copy this text. You guys know how to copy now. You just click and hold, then you drag. So after you copy it like this, let me go back. So after you copy it like this, you can now click on share. So after clicking on share, look at share here. Once you click on share, this social media icons is going to pop up. Now click on the one that you want to go. You can see we have Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp. We have these 5 social medias accounts, 5 social medias platform available right now. So let's go with Facebook. I want to share this. I want to copy and paste on Facebook. So all I have to do now is to click on the Facebook. Now you click right there to post what you copied. You click on it. Now you click, then you click and hold right there on this box. We all know this. Now you paste. So this is where to paste what you copied. You can now proceed by clicking on post, understand, or you can anywhere just click on post. Let's wait for it to post. You see the post has been updated on Facebook. Now this is what we are going to do next. In order for us to get the post link, you can share it, or you go right here, understand, for you to get the post link. So let's say we click here, then you head over and click on copied link, understand. Click on this particular one that says copied link, copy link. So we click on copy link. You see that the link copied successfully. Now you are going to take this link to your Magnus account. You see, let's take this link. This is where we were before. all you have to do is to scroll down. So after scrolling down, you are going to see this particular place right here. You see this place, you click on it like this. So after clicking on it, you now paste the link that you copied. Let's click and hold. Then we click on paste. You see, meaning that I have successfully pasted my link. Let me show you something. Let me delete this link right here and show you what will happen. You see, this place like this is where I'm going to paste my link. Since I haven't pasted the link, that's why you see this place is not visible. You cannot click this particular place. In order for you to make this particular place active, you need to paste your social media link, your post link. So once I paste this link right here, now this place becomes active. Understand? Let's click on share. You see, hope you can see now, task completed. You see, you have performed the job for this article. You have already submitted your share link for this article. Your submission is currently pending approval. Understand? So this is how to actually carry out this task. So from here, if you let's check this particular place again. Let's go and check it again. You can now go back. Let's go back. So after going back, let's see, let's go back again to that particular place to carry out another task. The first one has been done. Let me show you another thing that is involved. Let's click on the copied article again. So after clicking on, you see, let's scroll down. You now see that I have earned 1,000 naira for just carrying out this copy and paste task. You see, I have earned 1,000 naira. Now let me show you another thing also. Let's refresh this particular page. Let's go down. Okay, so on your dashboard like this, you can always check if your link has been approved. You see, currently now we have shared one link. That's why you are seeing total link 1. You see, total link shared 1. Let me scroll down. You see this particular place, you can just tap on it. Then you see that this link that I've submitted is currently waiting for approval. So one of the payback is going to approve this order and your money will be added to your balance. Understand? So this is just how to carry out the copy and paste feature. But I forget one thing that I am supposed to show you guys. Let me go and show you guys using another account. For example, what you need to do. So before I close this video, this is another thing that I'm going to show you. If you check right here on this particular place, you are going to see one of 5 links. Understand? Meaning that you can actually share up to 5 posts in a single day. So this place actually means that you can share up to 5 posts in a single day. This is what you need to do. When you come to this place, you see this place that says add another link. You can come here and click. You see, you have another link where you can post your WhatsApp post. You can click on it again. You can click. Understand? Now I'm having total of 5 links. Understand? I have 5 places, meaning that I can actually share this post on my, I can do the copy and paste using my Facebook, my TikTok, my Instagram, and also my Twitter account. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.